Okay, so today we are making chaffles. This is something that I found recently as a keto food, a replacement maybe for, bread if you want to make a sandwich or maybe a breakfast sandwich like I'm going to be making today. Here's the waffle iron. I have that heating up. I'm just going to kind of put it on 3 to 4. Okay, and then over here we got our, now see, I can't eat dairy. Okay, I'm lactose intolerant. So obviously you make this with real cheese, real cheddar cheese. But I have to use the fake stuff. So I don't really know if this is going to work because this isn't real cheese. But you have your cheddar cheese. You need a half a cup of that. And you need 1 egg. Now this should make 2 chaffles. Okay, so when I get over to the iron, I'll have 1 here and 1 there. I don't want to open it because it's preheating. So let's see how this goes. So we have our 1 egg, and what I'm going to do is whisk this up. All right, so here's my half a cup of cheese. I'm going to pour that in, and then you just mix it all together, and this is the batter. And once my waffle iron heats up, we'll see how it goes. The waffle iron is ready. You know, the recipe didn't say to do this, but I'm kind of afraid if I don't use a cooking spray, it's just going to be a total disaster. So I'm just going to use a cooking spray. I don't know if that's correct, but I'm doing it. All right, so here we go. I'm going to pour a little bit in there. And then a little bit in there. Okay. And then give me 1 second. I'm just going to get the excess out. All right, so I guess we'll see how this goes. Okay, guys, here they are. Oh, all right. Okay, ooh, forgot my fork. Let's grab my fork. Okay, so they didn't come out quite as, this one had a little more batter. So that one came out nice and full. This one didn't seem to have enough batter. Now, I think these are a little bigger than the ones I've seen online. They have these like little circular ones that probably will do this a little bit better. But I'm going to let these just rest a second. I did not prepare for this, so I don't have like BLT or avocado or anything. I was just going to have eggs and sausage this morning. So I made my little, look at how tiny these are. I know I got them at the grocery store. They're tiny. But I made my little sausage patties, so I'm going to use those to have some breakfast. And I'll be back after I get this all set up. Now I have to say, these are pretty soft. I think I saw some tips online on how to make them crispier. And you can even add, I think it said almond flour to make it more bread-like. But I didn't do that. I just wanted to make a straight 2-ingredient kind of basic chaffle and just to give it a start. So I just saw that as I was putting them on my dish that they are pretty, pretty soft. So I just took a bite here without any sausage or anything, just to get an initial reaction, and they are great. The fake cheese totally works. I can't imagine how good real cheese would be. They're definitely like really good. When you're on keto or, maybe you're looking for a substitute for bread, I always tell people, isn't that fake cheese terrible? And I'm like, well, first off, I haven't had real cheese in a very long time, and my brain kind of fills in the gaps. I'm looking for the texture. I'm looking for the function of the cheese. I get really sick, so I can't have real cheese. But so far, these are a great success. I would definitely look up chaffles, make them for yourself. And I've seen people make BLTs with them, other kind of sandwiches with them. Of course, I'm doing breakfast. It is egg and cheese, which kind of leads me towards more of like a breakfast thing for me personally. And but definitely give the chaffle a try. Thanks, guys.